how to log into your PlayStation network on a new console. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, turn on your PlayStation console, and then from there connect your console to the TV and power it on. Then after doing that, you can simply get into the sign in screen that you will be able to see on your TV. Then you will see the welcome back to PlayStation screen. Simply select your user or add a user if you want to add one, right? So after doing that, you can simply select the sign into PlayStation network. Choose the sign into PlayStation network in order to access your existing account. Then you can simply enter your email address and password associated with your PlayStation network account. Then from there, you can simply complete the verification if needed, right? So if the two-step verification is enabled, there will be the option of entering the code sent to your mobile device. Simply do that and simply add in that verification code in order to verify it. Then you can agree to the terms and conditions. Simply read and accept all of the terms of service and user agreement, and then just like this, you'll successfully be signed into your PlayStation network account. So like I said, you will successfully be signed in, and you can now start enjoying your game, save data and online features. After doing that, you can actually manage your account if you want to by getting to your settings. So if you want to do that, you can simply do that, and just like this, you'll be able to log into your PlayStation network on a new console. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.